Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the Learning and Study Hub. Today, our topic for writing and communications is another secret, and that is watch your facts. When we are actually talking to someone, we either give our opinions or we state facts. So, the first thing is that we need to distinguish between the two. What is a fact and what is basically an opinion. A fact is something that we can actually prove them. It's already said somewhere, it's already written somewhere, and it has been known to everyone. That's a fact. But when there is an opinion, you always need to say something else as well when you're quoting an opinion. In my personal opinion, and then you can actually quote what you want to say. But when you are but in reality, people tend to mix these things. In my opinion, that a particular thing has happened because so and so source said it. So you are actually giving your opinion along with a fact. So that's basically a collision of two things, and you are not able to justify yourself. So it's better to check your facts and keep them aside and then make an opinion over it and then say it's my personal opinion on this particular fact. So let me give you an example of what a fact can be, that the economy grew by 10% or 15% this year. And the opinion is that in my opinion, I can either be right or I can either be wrong. It's the simplest form of examples that I'm giving. So what should we actually be doing when we are actually applying it to our writing and communications? When you're writing something, when you're quoting a fact, it's basically that this fact is actually available and known to all. There is no difference of opinions over it. There is no other claim that this fact is wrong, that it has actually been proven. You can actually state in your communication the fact is. But when you are actually talking about an opinion, so you can use it in two manners, that in my opinion, things should have been different, or in my thinking, things could go the other way around. So it is basically how we are actually using this. It is also known as one of the most purest form of communications, when we are using a lot of assertions, using facts to prove ourselves. However, what we need to communicate is moreover of an opinion, and we are talking about, and our entire communication is based on facts. And we just give out the facts to the people rather than giving our opinion. So that's not justified when you have been asked for an opinion. And when asked for facts and people give their own opinions, that's also wrong. That's also a poor form of communication. So it's better that we distinguish our facts from opinions in conversations, so that we make sure that our conversations, our communications, our writings are clear from ambiguity, and we are actually able to convey people that when are we stating our own personal view and when are we actually giving a fact to them. So this was our lesson for today. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel, The Learning and Study Hub. Until next time, thank you.